YouTube. So today we're gonna be putting a new lip on the Corvette. So I think it was 2 days ago, Houston, we got hit with, I don't know if it was Tropical Storm or what, but it was something Bertha, man. So after work, I was on my way home, entrance of my neighborhood. I didn't even notice it, but it was a bunch of water, and I was just driving like normal, and boom, I hit the water, and it broke off like half of the front lip on the Corvette. So today we're gonna replace that. Let's see, I guess we'll do cold start, because I'm gonna put the Durango inside the garage and move the Corvette a little bit closer. So let's see. All right, Durango's inside. I don't know where I'm gonna put the camera right now, but we'll find a spot. think the angle's perfect, but had to get the blocks, jack up the car. Alright, we ready. Let me put these, grab the jack. Man, so that's what happened right there. Broke off half of it. Yep. All right, I guess I got the angle. I think so far all we're gonna need to take it off and put it back on is gonna be some Phillips heads and maybe a T something, but we'll find out right now. Let me bring out the new lip. It's about the same size. All right, let's see. That's all that's left. Yeah, it's about the same size. That's really much it, just to take it off. I guess let me clean it with some alcohol and put on the weather strip. Not weather strip, the double-sided adhesive. And then I guess we can move on to the side winglets. I just use this. See if that takes it off. Well, it cleans it good enough. And since it don't need to be pretty, I'm gonna just use a regular rag. Well, that's as clean as we gonna get it, so let's just see how it'll look. Something like that, I guess. I'll go ahead and use the adhesive that came with it, and I guess this adhesive promoter. grab the other jack. Jack stand. Let's see. But I guess we're gonna have to do one side then the other. It's kind of held on there, so let's see how it goes. Gonna use a clamp. All right, looks good. I just got to put the winglets on the side. Screw it on actually. But yeah. All right, let's finish it up. All right, let me put on the winglets now. All right, let's see, they go something like that, I believe. And of course, the holes don't line up. Alright, so the side, their Torx, I believe it's a T10 or T15, one of them. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be a T15. So the holes don't line up on the winglet, so we don't have to drill new holes. Something like that. Man, the camera ran out of battery, but I'm done. Just finished up. Just gotta lower the car back, but done. Still need to fix this part. It's literally just hanging, but I'm gonna fix it a little bit later. Same with this side. It's a little bit hanging, but I'm gonna fix it. So the bottom is hollow. You can't screw into nothing. So put this on. I guess this front lip's a little bit bigger. You can see it more on the front cameras. Yeah, what up? It's the next day. I finished up putting the front lip last night. It took longer than expected, way longer than expected. But yeah, because there's the holes for the side winglets, they don't match up. And then for the winglets, I guess let me just show you. Let me flip the camera. Yeah, so right there. I know it's dirty, but yeah, let's see. Right there, it's kind of just hanging there. But man, let me fix this angle. Give me a sec. Bam, okay, got it. So yeah, right there is just hanging on the side. Over here is where, let's see, all those holes, man, they don't line up. So kind of had to make it work. Let me get that sticker off, man. That thing sticks out like a sore thumb. Looks horrible. So yeah, those holes didn't line up, had to make it work. And then over here, it's kind of just hanging there. But I'm gonna end up putting some epoxy on the underside with the bolt sticking down. And these, they have holes along, like let's say here, here, here. And I'm gonna just put the bolts like that with some epoxy pointed down, and then screw them in with a nut. Because the same is on the other side over here. This one is not hanging as bad, but I mean, yeah, to have it right. And then the same thing on this side. It just didn't line up. Man, another sticker. Give me a sec. Alright, but it came out looking good. I mean, better than it was with that stock lip. I want to say this one's a little bit bigger. And with the winglets, man, it looks more aggressive, in my opinion. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show it during the day. Let me know what you think. And then next we're gonna be putting on, let's see if I don't drop it, we're gonna be putting on the catch can, so stay tuned for that. But I don't know if we're gonna have enough time, because I think the Corvette, I'm gonna take it tomorrow during the week to go get it wrapped finally. So excited for that. I don't know what I'm more excited for, getting it wrapped or putting on that catch can. After the catch can, I'm gonna be putting on the cold air intake. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, catch can is going on next, then cold air intake. I don't know, might do it all in one video. We'll see what happens. There's gonna be another view. This is how it is without the however I had it tied down. I went ahead and epoxy the bolts in. Just one for now, like that. That way that hole just goes into like that, and then put one of these nuts on the bottom end. That's both sides. You see it's hollow under here, but yeah, man. So just pulled up to get the car wrapped, and it didn't even make it in one piece. This side so far good, but this side, the winglet got ripped off. Not only that, but it took off the inner wheel well liner. Oh well. I mean, at least the lip made. Guess we're gonna have to get that replaced.